If Trello emails are cluttering your inbox or you simply want more control over what you receive, this quick guide is going to help you turn off email notifications or adjust them to your liking so you can focus on what actually matters. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. On the top right corner, click the Login button. You can sign in using your email or your Google account. Just choose what works best and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello board's dashboard. Look on the left side for your workspaces. Click the workspace that contains the board you want to manage. You don't need to open a specific board to change email notifications, but make sure you're in the right account. Next, glance up to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from that menu. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the Email Notification section. This is where you control how often Trello contacts you through email. Click the Frequency option to open the choices. Never. Select this if you want to completely turn off Trello email notifications. This is ideal if you rely on in-app alerts or check Trello manually, periodically. Choose this if you'd rather get summary emails instead of constant updates. Trello will send grouped activity updates at intervals. Instantly, keep this on if you want an email every time something happens on your boards or cards. To fully turn off notifications, just set the frequency to never and your inbox will stay clear. Once you've made your selection, the change is saved automatically. No extra steps needed. And that's all it takes to take control of Trello's email notifications. A quick adjustment can keep your inbox clean and your workflow distraction-free. If this guide helped you, feel free to stick around for more simple tech how-tos. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter inbox.